Ni hao, that's hello in Chinese. This is Nikunj Parekh, live from Shanghai, China. I was a part of ISEC for 2.5 years, ISEC in Kolkata for 2.5 years. I was Vice President Outgoing Exchange for a year, sending students like you abroad for internships. And I was Vice President HR for a year. And then I am here on an ISEC traineeship, working with Electrolux Southeast Asia Private Limited in their global logistics team. I've been here for 6 months. I'll just speak about a few things about my experiences and how it's been. First, about my job. I'm working as a logistics operations analyst, handling ocean operations and supply chain issues and projects with suppliers and our factories in North America. For the first job, this has been an immensely good and very, it gives me a lot of exposure in this job, because I'm in direct contact with a lot of suppliers, solving a lot of their supply chain issues, managing ocean operations for our factories in North America. So I'm in direct touch with businesses in China, with business people in China, learning how they do their businesses and what are the cost savings that I can derive out of supply chain, for example. On the other hand, I'm also in direct communication and touch with people in North America, and I'm having the best of both worlds. The other wonderful part of this traineeship is the team that I work for. We are like a multicultural team, and it's really true, because my team members is a Russian, myself, a Swedish, a Hungarian, a Mexican, a Colombian, and a Chinese boss. I mean, it cannot get more multicultural than this in a team for your first job. And the amount of learning that we derive from each other and the kind of professional experience that I'm getting, it's out of the world. Okay. Now, my life in Shanghai has been such a great multicultural and a huge city. We have ISEC trainees here from more than 20 different countries, and we are the best of friends. We hang out together, we party together, we go on trips together. And the amount of things that you can learn from different people from different countries, I would not have ever done it when I was in Calcutta. Okay. Now, why did I choose to go for an ISEC traineeship? I mean, I had an option, like all of you, to go for an MBA, which I think 80% of Indian youth is doing right now. I had an option to join my dad's business, to do something on my own, but I chose the path which is less traveled. I chose something which a lot of you people do, because it is may go abroad to study or do an MBA and then go abroad to work. But being a graduate, my first job and doing ISEC traineeship, something which I've always been very passionate about, something which I always wanted to do, something which I think you guys should go for as well, because it's not only the job, it's the kind of environment you're in. You come out of your shell and you experience things that you've never done before. You do things and you're exposed to an environment which is so multicultural, so talented, and really you can have a very good value add on your CV. I mean, look at the person on your left and your right. I mean, they might be doing things which people have done since a long time. They do an MBA or a CA or something. But you might just go abroad, work in a company, work in a different country for a year, and then come back to India and do whatever you always wanted to. So, time is really short. I would just like to end by saying that definitely go for an ISEC traineeship anywhere in the world. It's one of the best experiences that you can ever have. If you really want to get in touch with me or something, take my number from Shreya or Raghav, or just take my email ID. I'll really be able to solve all your doubts and questions. Thank you, ISEC, for giving me this opportunity to speak to you guys. Have a great time. See you abroad very soon.